You might be thinking that buying a kayak for beginners isn't necessary. However, you would be astonished to learn that this kind of vessel can go a long way in ensuring you get a satisfactory catch. Kayaks are very versatile and are also portable. Whether you enjoy saltwater or freshwater fishing, you can effortlessly make use of a good kayak. To know more about which kayak to buy, check out our guide video on the 9 best kayak for beginners that are available right now.
Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally. Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 9. Emotion Guster Sit Inside Kayak. If you are looking for a kayak that can offer both comfort and stability without burning a hole in your pocket, look no farther than Emotion Kayak Guster. It is made from high-density polyethylene. The Emotion Kayak Guster boasts of great performance under extreme circumstances and long life. The Lifetime Guster kayak provides the perfect combination of comfort, stability, and performance in an exceptionally versatile package. It is made from high-density polyethylene with a design and size. It is easy to handle on and off the water. The ST Performance hull design provides the speed, tracking, and maneuverability for just about every water condition from large lakes and bays to slow-moving rivers and creeks. This kayak is equipped with this ledge lock paddle keeper and other great features for comfort and convenience. Be it a large lake or a slow-moving river, Emotion Kayak Guster can offer unparalleled performance. Convenience, comfort, and speed are the 3 hallmark qualities of Emotion Kayak. Number 8. Sun Dolphin Aruba Kayak. If you're looking out for a simple-to-work typical kayak with a conventional style, appearance no further than the Sun Dolphin Aruba Kayak. The kayak's sleek hull design ensures fast, nimble tracking while a tow-controlled rudder system gets anglers on fish faster while saving your energy during long paddles, windy days, and strong currents. This Sun Dolphin Aruba Kayak is made of high-density polyethylene. It comes with a paddle. It is designed to move through the water with ease and grace. It is ideal for short and long trips. The Sun Dolphin Aruba Kayak cockpit is non-confining and surprisingly roomy. So you will feel comfortable and have the freedom to move your legs while cruising in the vessel. With a high-quality adjustable backrest and adjustable foot pegs, it can be shared by family members and friends. The roomy storage compartment with shock cord deck. It is useful for storing snacks, drinks and extra gear, and a water bottle. It can be stored in an easy-to-access bottle holder. It also has protective thigh pads for comfort during longer outings. The convenient carrying handles make it easy to transport to and from the water. Number 7. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. The K2 makes our list of the best tandem kayak for fishing with its versatility and dependable performance. An inflatable backrest is included for your convenience, and it also comes with a skeg for greater stability. The vivid yellow color is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also improves visibility in the water. The K2 is made from durable vinyl, and it should hold up well even with constant use. The seats are adjustable so you'll feel comfortable and not have to wrestle with the kayak. The K2 is not the most advanced kayak out there, but for those who are into weekend kayaking, this will suffice. It is designed for lakes and small bodies of water. The K2 is ideal for solo, tandem, or family kayaking. The paddle has a simple design, but is effective, and it won't wear you out the way other kayaks do. Some assembly is needed, but the procedure is straightforward and the instructions are clear.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 6. Wilderness Systems Pungo Kayak. The Wilderness Systems Pungo Kayak for the sports fisher has been positive thanks to its performance and stability. The kayak is made of high-density polyethylene, which makes it more durable than the typical kayak. It has a seating room for 3 individuals, so this tandem kayak can double up as a family kayak. The kayak delivers dynamic on-water performance with superior stability, unmatched speed, premium comfort, and intelligent outfitting. It enhanced embellishments and world-class luxury appointments. The renowned Pungo hull through rigorous engineering and testing. It has reassuring stability without sacrificing performance. The patented Phase 3 Air Pro seating system featured on the kayak is the core of what makes Wilderness Systems the world's most comfortable kayaks. It also has an upgraded dashboard, which offers paddlers convenience and many options for customization. It features a removable dry box, 2 cup holders, slide tracks to hold mounts for phones, fishing rods, and other accessories, and 2 customizable mounting platforms. There is also a recess designed for the Wilderness Systems lithium battery, which keeps your electronics charged on the go. Number 5. Perception Pescador Pro Kayak. If you're searching for a simple-to-work regular fishing trip with an exemplary style, look no further than the Perception Pescador Pro Kayak. This kayak has a pilot drive pedal system that can be fully recessed into the hull for 0 drafts. The Perception's superior stability and performance make it a definitive boat for paddlers, everything being equal. Better solidness even permits fishermen to cast from a standing position. This kayak has a leak-proof one-piece construction with built-in buoyancy for added safety. It features a large front and rear open storage for cooler, tackle, and other gear. It includes gear tracks, fish finder consoles, and rod holders for anglers. The kayak is 10 foot in length and 32 inches in width. Moreover, this kayak is 57 pounds in weight that has 325 pounds max capacity. The kayak has a spacious, sit-on-top design with generous storage and accessory mounts make the kayak easy to customize. The pilot drive propeller system effortlessly propels the boat, even in reverse, while leaving both hands free for fishing or taking photos. Number 4. Sun Dolphin 10-foot Kayak. Do you need the best kayak for beginners? Try not to stress. Here is the best kayak sitting tight for you. The Sun Dolphin 10-foot Kayak is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This kayak makes certain to carry a grin to your face. The award-winning design of the Wilderness is now available in a compact package for increased manageability both on and off the water. The Sun Dolphin 10-foot Kayak is suitable for lakes and rivers where fishing spots are harder to reach. It's constructed of dent-resistant and durable UV-stabilized Fortiflex high-density polyethylene. It will last for many years of use on the water. The easy-to-carry Sun Dolphin Kayak features a unique and removable PAC. It can be used as an extra storage compartment when needed. It has a 250 pounds capacity. This kayak has everything you need as a beginner, which includes 2 flush mount fishing rod holders behind the seat, as well as 1 swivel fishing rod holder at the front. Its large seating area and protective thigh pads offer you a more comfortable ride on longer trips. The Journey 10 also has adjustable foot braces to accommodate the paddler's height. The conveniently located paddle holder secures the paddle while you fish. Number 3. Lifetime Tamarack Angler Kayak. If you are intrigued to utilize a fishing kayak for your convenience, for what reason don't pick the Lifetime Tamarack Angler Fishing Kayak? The Lifetime Tamarack is a sit-on-top fishing kayak that has a comfortable padded seat and backrest for your long paddling and fishing adventures. This angler fishing kayak is designed for extreme safety and stability. Additionally, the Tamarack Angler has a stable, flat bottom with deep trekking channels and stability chine rails. Moreover, the kayak is constructed of blow-molded high-density polyethylene that makes it durable, UV-protected, and impact-resistant. The 52-pound plan in front and back convey handles make it simple to ship to and from the waterfront. With casting pole holders, stun rope lashes, numerous ottoman positions, and 2 stockpiling hatches, this kayak has a lot of additional items to improve your rowing and fishing experience.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Lifetime Youth Wave Kayak. The K2 makes our list of the best tandem kayak for fishing with its versatility and dependable performance. An inflatable backrest is included for your convenience, and it also comes with a skeg for greater stability. The vivid yellow color is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also improves visibility in the water. The K2 is made from durable vinyl, and it should hold up well even with constant use. The seats are adjustable so you'll feel comfortable and not have to wrestle with the kayak. The K2 is not the most advanced kayak out there, but for those who are into weekend kayaking, this will suffice. It is designed for lakes and small bodies of water. The K2 is ideal for solo, tandem, or family kayaking. The paddle has a simple design, but is effective, and it won't wear you out the way other kayaks do. Some assembly is needed, but the procedure is straightforward and the instructions are clear.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Intex Challenger Kayak. If you are interested to use an inflatable kayak for your convenience, why do not pick the Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak? Enjoy more outdoor adventures with the Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak. This model is suitable for carrying 2 individuals, up to 350 pounds. The cockpit is designed for comfort and maximized space, and inflatable I-beam floors add stability. This kayak is made with a strong, 30-gauge PVC vinyl material. It ensures that it's sturdy enough to handle those rugged river waters. It's professionally certified so that you can paddle with confidence. This kayak comes with an 84-inch aluminum or repair patch and high-output manual hand pump, rugged vinyl construction. This inflatable 2-person kayak also comes with everything you need to tackle virtually any lake or stream. Whether you're overnight kayak camping or just going for a paddle on a nearby pond, this K2 inflatable kayak with oars and other accessories is an ideal choice. Thanks for watching. Was that useful? Like and subscribe for more interesting fishing content. See you soon.